Brad Williams, XL Prime, ceiling and rounding. What we're going to do here, well, ceiling is going to round up, and one of 8 different rounding functions within XL. This one rounds up to, in this case, 50 cents. We put this significance number. Notice significance. We're referencing 1123. It's going to round up to 1150. 444 is going to round up to 450 using this function, ceiling B605. All we're going to do is subtract a penny. Our ending price is going to either be 49 or 99. You can change this if you want it at 47. That's fine. If this is 1150, it's not going to round up. It will move down a penny if you elect to do that. Here we have $1. We have 6.77. It rolls up to $7. To 7, and then we just subtract a penny. Play around with this over here. If you need it, read it. Otherwise, just fool around with this. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks.